Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, I'm bringing a very practical project to life. Building a durable mini water pump from scratch. Don't blink and stay with me to witness the entire transformation. From basic components to a fully functional fluid circulation system. To start things off, I'm going to dissect this refrigerator compressor. We need to cut through the heavy steel housing to unveiling the internal drive mechanism. This core component will provide the superior power and durability needed for our custom pump project. Moving on, I'll be using a multimeter to check the resistance of the stator. This is a crucial diagnostic step to ensure there are no short circuits or internal breaks in the windings, confirming that our motor is in perfect condition for the assembly. Moving forward to the electrical wiring, I'm going to connect the capacitor to the stator windings. This capacitor is essential for creating the necessary phase shift, allowing the motor to start smoothly and maintain a consistent torque when handling water pressure. Moving forward to the electrical wiring, I'm going to connect the capacitor to the stator windings. This capacitor is essential for creating the necessary phase shift, allowing the motor to start smoothly and maintain a consistent torque when handling water pressure. Moving on, I'm adding a support bracket system for the entire assembly. This step is essential to reinforce the structure, ensuring that all components remain securely in place and preventing any unwanted vibrations or displacement during high-speed operation. it's time to connect the primary power source to the assembly. I'm using a battery unit to provide a stable and consistent current. This is the decisive moment where we see if all the preparation and recycled components can operate flawlessly under full power. And finally, following all our fabrication efforts, I invite you to join me as we activate and witness the device's operational capabilities in a real-world setting. That wraps up today's product. Thank you for watching the whole video. If you enjoyed it, please give us a like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to turn on notifications so you won't miss our latest videos.